What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another edition of The Howl, your monthly show of all things Wolfsburg. Coming up, we got a special comeback, a little business trip to Italy, and some high-octane Bundesliga action. Lock in. So, what happened in September? Our 9 summer Olympians were honored in a special reception in the Wolfsburg Castle by Mayor Dennis Weilmann.
Und dass wir dann am Ende wirklich mit einer Medaille auch da stehen, das war auf jeden Fall das Pünktchen nochmal auf dem I.
VfL Frauencoach Tommy Struth has extended his contract.
Also wir haben gehört, der VfL hat schon einen neuen Trainer.
Ja, Merle, der VfL hat einen Trainer, aber keinen neuen.
Sign the thing!
Ich bleib bis 2027.
Speaking of the She-Wolves, a big round of applause for Rebecca Blomqvist, who made her long return from serious injury this past month.
Aber jetzt wieder auf dem Platz zu stehen, ist natürlich besonders.
Bex went through a lot to get back on the pitch, and we couldn't be prouder.
Ja, ich hab versucht, glücklich einzuschlafen, habe ich auch gemacht.
And we had some major milestones as well.
Zusammen quasi 500 Spiele in der Frauen-Bundesliga, Poppy du 300 und Marina 200.
Alex Popp made her 300th Bundesliga appearance, and Marina Hegering hit number 200 herself.
Und ja, dass wir das auch noch zusammen erleben dürfen, macht das Ganze, glaube ich, auch noch ziemlich rund, würde ich sagen.
Auch nicht so ganz viele, von daher ja, sehr glücklich über diese Zahl.
Both Alex Popp and Marina Hegering also announced their retirements from the German national team.
Und ich habe immer betont, dass mein Bauch die Entscheidung treffen wird. Und nun hat er entschieden. Nach langen, tränenreichen Überlegungen habe ich mich schweren Herzens dazu entschlossen, meine Nationalmannschaftskarriere zu beenden.
On the men's side, it seems like every few months it's another record for our captain. In September, Maximilian Arnold recorded his 350th Bundesliga cap for the Wolves. Legendary.
That's why he's the GOAT!
Oh yeah, we also celebrated a birthday this past month. We're 79 now, so getting up there. It was a big month for the She-Wolves with the kickoff of the UEFA Women's Champions League playoffs. Last season, we missed out on the qualifying stage.
Sorry.
Yeah, let's not talk about that. This time, we were drawn against Fiorentina, and on the first leg in Italy, this happened. A 7-0 win, and we're back in Wolfsburg for the second leg. We had the euphoria of returning to the Champions League with a 5-0 win at home in the second leg. The She-Wolves also celebrated some other good results. Alex Popp turned into prime Zlatan Ibrahimovic for this goal versus Carl Zeiss Jena in a 1-0 win. We pulled off a 6-0 win against Hertha Berlin in the German Cup. Ariana Arias and Lynette Bernstein grabbed their first goals for the club. Bernstein's goal came in a 5-1 victory versus FC Köln. Overall, it's been an up-and-down month for the She-Wolves, but we suffered a 3-0 loss to the hands of Frankfurt at the end of the month. Still, long season ahead. As for the men, it was an exciting but ultimately tough month. Early in September, we faced off against Frankfurt, and despite this Ridla Baku banger,
as a sub, there's it off for Baku, and swivel time.
What's this?
we fell in the end to a goal by former Wolf Omar Marmoush, who didn't make a lot of new friends in his return to the Volkswagen Arena. We experienced heartbreak again later in the month when we faced the champions, Bayern...
Not anymore.
Bayer Leverkusen away from home. In what would ultimately be a 7-goal thriller.
Wolfsburg start, the cross, Mukele's touch, an own goal, and Xhaka working here. Here goes that corner, Tar has got clear, and Militant here from Kaminski, Bornau! Matthias Swanberg breaks the challenge, Swanberg, brilliant! And Wolfsburg lead again, late in the first half, by 3 goals to 2.
We managed to take the lead twice in a wild back-and-forth match before Leverkusen did that thing they've become really used to doing as of late.
90 plus 3, Palacios, oh wow, you never make the Bayern.
You can't keep getting away with it! You can't keep getting away with it!
And finally, the Wolves came close to their first home win of the season against Stuttgart. Mohamed Amoura grabbed his first goal in the Bundesliga, and his pace was devastating all match long.
Pace and Jonas Vin in the middle! Make it count! And Jonas Vin! Well, there's the substitute, but dispossessed here. This is Jonas Vin.
It is about to get crazy up in here.
Turns out it's going to catch him now. His first ever goal in the Bundesliga, and Wolfsburg lead once more.
But again, it was a late goal and heartbreak despite another good performance for the Wolves.
Driven across, and there's a dive!
Heads up, Wolves. The effort has been incredible thus far. Next time on The Howl, we got some more action from the men's media day.
What is it?
The start of the Champions League for the She-Wolves, and the men's team takes on Borussia Dortmund in German Cup action. Stay hungry, Wolves. See you next time. Peace.
Yeah, you don't got to go by his pace, bro. He got 75.